Hey ya guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio. Did you know you can create music without being a musician? Yes, it's true. You don't need musical skills, and I'll show you how. Explore the world of AI music generators with me as I unveil 5 top-notch options, both free and paid. You'll be making fantastic tunes in no time. Let's dive in. Generate free AI music. 5. Tracks AI. The ultimate music generation tool for YouTube. With just a few clicks, you can have music for any genre or mood, free to use as long as you credit them in your description. Here's how. Sign up for a Tracks AI account using your email or Gmail. Log in and click Create Track. Choose your music genre or mood. There are many genres and moods to choose from this list. Select your desired music length, from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Click Create My Track and wait for the magic to happen. Tracks AI generates your music in seconds and plays it for you. Save it to your library if you like it, or try again with different settings. To download your music, visit your library and click Download. Don't forget to include the license or attribution in your content description when you use their music. That's how easy it is to create your own music videos with Tracks AI only in 3 steps. You can just choose the mood or genre, but you cannot customize the music here. 4. Waveformer. If you are looking for an AI music generator that allows users to enter their prompt, then this tool is for you. Type in your prompt. Enter your desired video length, up to 30 seconds. Click the Make Music button, and voila! You'll get both music and video formats as results. Download them according to your needs. It's that simple. You can create unique and short music for your YouTube shorts, Instagram feeds, or other content. 3. Soundful. Simplicity meets customization. Soundful takes simplicity and customization to the next level. Just sign up with them, set your music preferences, and you are good to go. This powerful AI music generator is designed to create royalty-free background music for videos, streams, podcasts, and more. These templates with the crown symbol are for paid subscribers. Those without the crown are for free subscribers. After signing up, click on Templates. I am looking for free lo-fi music. Here it is. You can listen to the preview. Click on this Create button. Here, you can customize the music accordingly. Play around with different settings, then click on Create Preview. After this, you can click on My Library, where you can download your music from. Now click here on Get. With a free plan, click on Standard Download. Soundful offers a free tier, but with a free plan, you cannot monetize your content, and you will get only 3 downloads per month. It's an excellent option for content creators looking to elevate their projects with quality music. Freemium options for AI music generation. So these were the free AI music generators, and if you are looking for higher quality, more customization, diverse genres, commercial licensing, better support, ad-free, longer songs, offline use, additional tools, then you can explore these paid AI music generators. 2. Muvert, the trailblazer. Muvert, a cutting-edge platform that seamlessly blends technology and creativity. Muvert is designed for those who seek to break the boundaries of traditional music production by offering an innovative approach to generating unique soundscapes. Creating music with Muvert is a breeze. Simply enter a prompt and set your desired track length, or explore genres, moods, or activities to inspire your music. With a free tier and affordable paid options starting at $14 a month, Muvert is accessible to all. With a free tier, you just need to add the social media link where you want to publish this music so they can clear your channels from copyright claims. Find the link in the video description to try it out for yourself. 1. Beethoven AI. Now, let's explore Beethoven AI for long-form compositions. Visit Beethoven AI's website and register using Gmail or other email. After registering, log in to access your Beethoven AI dashboard. Click on a new track then. On this pop-up write track title, duration of the music and tempo, then click on Next. Here, you can choose a genre from these options. I am choosing rock and click on Apply. Now here, you can choose the mood you want for your music. I am choosing energetic, then click Apply to generate a music. You can also add any video to this track. Explore different tracks if you're unsatisfied. Click Get New Tracks for more options. To download tracks, you need to upgrade your subscription from free to paid. Their download plans start with only $3. Generate free music video with Onemaker.io. Say goodbye to boring pictures and hello to amazing, dynamic visuals for your AI-generated music. Now, what can be better than being able to generate a free music video for your AI-generated cover song? It's a fantastic online platform that lets you craft professional videos for various purposes like music, podcasts, Spotify, logos, and more. And the best part? It has free options too. Plus, with 3 resolutions tailored for different social media platforms, you can share your video on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok and promote it everywhere with a customized design. I'll demonstrate 3 different kinds of music videos that you can create using Onemaker.io. 1. Lo-fi category. Navigate to the Lo-fi category and pick a template that resonates with your music video vision. With an extensive library, you'll find diverse themes and moods like rain, study, and relaxation. I am choosing this one. This will take us to the editor page. Here, you have the power to fine-tune every element. You can also choose any other background. Click on Advanced Settings to upload your music and select the ideal video format. Once you're satisfied, press Export or Update Video. It will generate a video preview. Should you desire any adjustments, simply click Back to Edit or click on the Make Full-Length HD option. Sign up for free and find your video in My Videos. AI Album Artwork. This is the AI Album Artwork category, boasting 100+ dynamic templates. Each exudes a fresh animation, catering to various moods and themes. Much like crafting lo-fi videos, creating these artworks is effortlessly intuitive. Just a click on the AI Album Artwork tab, and you're on your way. But that's not all. You have the power to bring your own images to life. Simply drop your image and request into the chat box, and voila! In just a matter of days, you'll receive your very own animated motion cover. Music Visualizer. Last but not least are timeless music visualizers, a trend that will never fade away. With 100+ templates and diverse themes like cinematic, 2D, 3D, and minimalist, all in high-quality HD, the possibilities are endless. To begin, just click on the Music Visualizer tab and follow the same user-friendly steps as with our lo-fi videos and AI album covers. Elevate your visuals with ease. Thanks for tuning in to our roundup of the 5 best AI music generators in 2023. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want some more easy-to-follow editing tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.